Hi guys, my name is James, and I want to talk about the resource that we have available to us, provided to us by the school, and it is Grammarly. Um, I didn't know we actually had this resource. I actually found this by mistake, believe that or not. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of walk you through how to get to it and kind of the things that Grammarly allows you to do. And of using this resource in unison with the Writing Center has definitely helped me in my English classes and pretty much any other class I have to write an essay in. So to start, it's just the location of where Grammarly is on the website. So as you can see, I was on UWA's website. So once you actually get to the website, you want to click on the current students, faculty, and staff tab. Once you do that, it is going to be towards the bottom under the technology section. It's not hard to find, but if you're not looking for it, you would overlook it. I know I did a few times when I first started using it. So it is a little difficult here. So hopefully the visual right there does help. But once you find it, you won't forget where it is. I promise. So the next thing, the easiest thing is actually to upload your papers. As you can see here, you have a new button and an upload button, and you see a few of my essays there actually. So you have options, I guess would be from here. You could upload a paper, and if you're on a Mac, if you're on Mac OS like I am, it would be uploaded from your pages. If you are on just a regular Windows computer, regular PC, it would be from Microsoft Word. Now, that's the easiest way to do it because, or I guess it's kind of the easier way to do it is to upload your paper, and I will go into a little detail about that in a second. But you also can type in your entire paper into Grammarly itself. So if you're not very confident about your punctuation marks, or you're wondering, well, what other word can I use here besides, basic words like because or angry or anything like that, then correcting as you go is a good way to do it if you just click new. But most people already have their essays typed up. So clicking upload definitely helps, and it does point out mistakes, things that can be fixed, things words that can be changed to make your paper sound a little bit more professional, I guess is one way to put it. So my favorite thing is actually how it allows you to set a certain tone for a certain audience. I think that part is really cool, and I will explain. So before you start, whether that's actually uploading your paper or writing it on Grammarly, you would actually get this little thing here to set your goals. So you could, again, you have quite a few options to choose from. Well, not like an abundance of options, but you have a few options to choose from. And the main things are in our domain, the intent, the audience, and the formality of it. What I think is actually the most, or what I think are the two more helpful subjects in this matter would actually be the intent and the audience. Mainly because, if you're trying to convince or tell a story or something like that, it's kind of hard to do that, especially when you're trying to tell a story. It's kind of hard to do that without sounding repetitive, and that's where the tell a story would come in at. And for your audience, you could say that there is just a general audience. So it would set that tone for you. It would give you suggestions, punctuation marks or it will give you suggestions, words to change, sentence structure, etc., based off of those intent and audience selections that you chose. So that is the end of the presentation, and hopefully you learned something new about one of the resources that we have available to us as students of UWA. Bye.